Mouse and the mouse. You have to go to work, right?
Yeah, we're gonna work first.
Nicole is stalking me. She's totally stalking me. Oh, there she is. Surprise! We're packing up, getting the day rolling. Hey guys, gotta go to work. Nicole's gonna be at work for probably the next hour or so. So I'm gonna figure out a good place to stop and set down my computer and do a little bit of work myself. I gotta get ahead on a couple of drawings that I have and a few different designs that I need to put together. So we're gonna be working on that. But first, I wanna stop off at the park and show you guys some of the area that I was running around at yesterday. So let's check that out. Sometimes you gotta enjoy the natural beauty of the parks, especially whenever I'm in a new area. I love to see some of the local parks where people just go. This is one of them. It's a really great running park. They have a local carousel right down the way, plenty of duck feeding and what do they call it, discs? No, they like to play frisbee and football out here. So if you're ever in the area of Bushnell Park, it's really cool. Some amazing architecture surrounding the entire thing. Some really fantastic buildings. A lot of local government stuff going on too. Plenty of rallies. A lot of things happen in this park, but especially the colors. Especially all of the beautiful colors. Heading out, go and pick up the wifey. She's out of work, and I got to do a lot of stuff today. I actually remembered my mouse this time, so I was actually able to work on the CAD drawing, and I got way farther than I thought. I think I'm getting good at this, so happy about that. And hopefully they'll come back in the next 11 minutes.
They might not.
Probably
They're
not.
down by something. 17?
Yeah. Who knows? They got this.
Who knows?
Did you see that BS at 11:30 though?
Yes, I did just drink your beer.
Thank you.
This time we're gonna get funky. Funky.
You messed up my seat and my mirrors and all that stuff. As you drive me.
Power car, baby.
Alright, I can't. I'm hitting this. This is just gonna have to deal with the curliness. Whoa, that's a lot of hair. Alright. Now we're navigating home. The mirrors are now fixed because you messed them up. Alright, now you can do your thing.
Let's go home. Hey, what's up? So, we're back at home, and I got a project that I'm gonna try and knock out in a little bit. I have to go to the Home Depot or the Lowe's. I think Home Depot is a little bit closer. I gotta pick up dryer ducting for this guy. I've been ignoring this project for a while, and I'm gonna see if I can knock it out. I got an extra long cord, so I'm gonna see how far I can get with this guy so I can get some accurate footages for my ductwork, and then we'll go from there. Found it.
This time we're gonna get
I wonder if there's a sequence that works properly with this. I'm sure it's not specific at all. Alright, I'm gonna put you down so I can pay attention. Alright, I got it uninstalled so you can see here. Same connections going down. Old one stops. New one's about almost twice as long. Almost. And that should be able to get me pretty close to there so I can do a little bit less ductwork. The wire length was cheaper than and easier to install than the rest of the ductwork. And on the back of my washing machine, this is what it looks like, that being installed. I really hope I get the wires right. Okay, just like that. There's one. There's three. So if it starts sparking, we know what the problem is. And if we bought the parts, we might as well use them, so new set. To try. Out here at the Home Depot, we're getting a couple things. I need duct tape. Duct tape. Actual duct tape. Semi-successful trip to Home Depot. Didn't get the 2x2 by 1/2 inch tee that I needed. But they get all the ductwork, so trade off. We just finished the installation of the ducting, so we're gonna go ahead and do a quick inspection so I can show you how good and bad I did. Here's the back of the dryer. You can see we have the just a converter piece that was used for the previous setup we had. I just connected up to it so I wouldn't have to use the additional footage. Got some tape, tossed that on all of the seams up here. Made sure it was nice and straight all the way up, giving it a pretty steep incline. And here's where it gets janky. So, popping up here, I just ripped up a old used towel that we had and tossed on this for a makeshift strap. I'll be tearing that down tomorrow when I go back to the store. They were just closing, I didn't have enough time to pull all this stuff. And it just did used to get worse. So this T here, this elbow here, it was broken. It didn't have all of the normal slots that a regular elbow does, and not having an end point, so it wouldn't turn all the way, and I couldn't get this guy to fit properly no matter what I did. So I just used the flexible hose that we had from the other setup, tossed that on there. It wouldn't fit properly either, and it kept flexing out of place as it should probably. I should have probably expected. So I just tossed on some tape to keep it roughly in the same shape, only held by tension. Don't feel too comfortable running the dryer like this, but it does keep everything together and adds a little bit more structural stability until tomorrow when I just rip apart all of this and install a brand new fresh elbow right here, and probably install one more piece of 4-inch pipe, and then that'll pretty much put an end to that part of the project. So that's what she looks like at the end of the day. Looks fantastic on one end, and if you just cut that off, that too, then you have a great installation. But I'm gonna line everything up, make sure everything's straight tomorrow once I have all the parts. But for today, it's installed. There you have it. That's a Sunday. It was a pretty nice day, plenty of stuff going on. If you like what you see, please feel free to subscribe. If you hate it, feel free to hit that dislike button and also subscribe. Come back, I love haters. Anyway, enjoy the rest of your Sunday. On to Monday.